How to use VPN on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your VPN application, and just in case if you do not have VPN on your iPhone yet, then open App Store and then tap on the search bar and search for VPN, and then go ahead and download any of the VPN available there. Once downloaded, launch the app and then tap on the connect option you see there. You will then be required to give access to your location, so go ahead and tap on the accept and continue button and then tap on allow button you see there. Now once connected, you will be required to add VPN configuration, so tap on the allow button, and now in the interface that you will be led to, enter your iPhone's passcode in order to add VPN configuration, and with this the VPN will be connected successfully. So this is how you can use VPN on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.